The Maestro MFT1 is a radio replacement solution for Ford vehicles equipped with the 8-inch MyFord Touch radios. This kit includes the T-harness, trim bezel, mounting brackets, and a media hub adapter. The Maestro RR, a Maestro-compatible radio, and an FM antenna adapter are also required and sold separately. With the Maestro MFT1, the factory dash bezel is reinstalled, preserving the factory look of the dash, but replacing the radio with any Maestro-compatible radio you choose. Ford vehicles equipped with the MyFord Touch have a variety of features that would otherwise be lost when replacing the radio. For example, the steering wheel controls are retained and can be reprogrammed to operate the aftermarket radio. Because the factory bezel is retained, the climate controls will operate as they always did. If your vehicle had climate controls on the factory touchscreen, these will be replicated on the aftermarket radio screen. The factory radio controls, including the volume knob, will control the new radio. Some of them are also programmable and assignable to a function of your choice. Some of the vehicle options, including variable color illumination, keypad pin change, Pro Trailer Assist, auto parallel parking, active contour seats, and backup camera, are changed in the factory radio menus. These are still accessible and can be changed in the menus of the new radio. Many Ford vehicles are equipped with a factory reverse camera. If you have one, it will be retained along with the factory dynamic parking lines and multiple viewing angles. The information display located in the gauge cluster in many Ford vehicles with MyFord Touch provides useful information from the radio and climate control system. This will continue to work, and information from the aftermarket radio will be displayed there. Track information, caller ID, navigation turn-by-turn, and climate controls are still accessible from this display. The media hub adapter included with the MFT1 replaces the existing media hub and connects the USB, auxiliary input, and HDMI connection to the aftermarket radio. This solution also adds a variety of additional features to the Maestro-compatible radio, such as performance gauges and real-time vehicle information. Gauges allows you to select any 5 gauges from up to 20 different gauge options and customize your gauge screen. Vehicle information provides important vehicle data to the driver, including door, trunk, and hood status, individual tire pressure and temperature, battery voltage, and even provides the ability to read DTC codes when your check engine light comes on. For vehicles equipped with parking sensors, the MFT1 provides a graphic overlay onto the backup camera screen that offers visual monitoring in addition to audible chimes. For more information on the iDatalink Maestro MFT1 and Maestro RR, go to www.iDatalink Maestro.com.